Tango Toast Learns German. Hey friends, it's Tango Toast. Today, we are going on a language adventure. We are going to learn a new language together. Today's language is German. Are you ready? Let's begin. In German, people say Hallo. That means hello. Let's say it together. Hallo. Great job. Another way to say hello is Guten Tag. That also means hello. Let's say it together. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Very good. In the morning, people say Guten Morgen. That means good morning. Say it with me. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. In the evening, people say Guten Abend. That means good evening. Say it with me. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Now let's learn how to ask, how are you? Wie geht's? That means, how are you? Let's try it together. Wie geht's? Wie geht's? Now let's answer. Gut. That means good. Sehr gut. That means very good. Sehr gut. Super. That means great. Super. Let's try. Wie geht's? Gut. Wie geht's? Gut. You did an amazing job today. You just spoke German. Tschüss.